Today I will show you how to use our press brake machine. First, you can see the machine general look like that. General look like this. And there are main parts, several parts. First, here, we can see here, there we have two, one, two. This is for the support, for the plate support. When we use the big plate, then you lose the screws and make it up, and then it can support. And here is the knives, two knives, the up one and the down one, two parts. Second one is for the X. Now we see the X here. This one is the X. This one is the X. Okay. The Y, it means the cylinder. The Y means cylinder, up and down. Here we can see here we have one pedal. The right one is for the down. The left one is for the up. Usually speaking, we just use the right one. That is for the down. Is okay. This is a controller. Now let me tell you. This one is for the power light on. This one is for the machine controller. This is the controller. On 1, it means open the machine. 0, it will close the machine, power off. This one is for the cylinder. When it is green, it means cylinder power on. This is machine power off. This is emergency. Here, you can see here. The left one, now this mode, left one, it means once. When we make it work, just the machine work once. The middle one is point by point, not usually used. The last one, it means for the continuous work. When we choose this mode, the machine will work again. Okay. Here, the controller, X, it means, for example, X, it is the front and forward and back forward. The Y, it means cylinder. X purpose, XP means X purpose. It means from the knife to here, from here to here. The Y purpose, it means cylinder, the distance from top to down, how much it will move. Y purpose. Remember here, this is a single. We also, if we want to work 2 degrees or 3 times, we use to choose P. Programs, we can choose the second, okay, the twins, something like that. Okay, now let me show you how we operate in details. Now there is one thing very important. First is for the knife, the down knife. You can see we have several models, 1, 2, 3, 4, several ones. And how we use, that is 1 reach 8. So that means when we use the 2 millimeters, we should use the 16. Now first one, this is the 16. How we measure it? From this here to here, you can see this is a 16. And if we make it bigger, then we use this one. That is a 24. And same way, you measure others when you use it. Remember, the rate is 1 reach 8.